Aloha, my name is Sepasi and welcome to Upholstery Cleaning on Extractor. Today we will be going over the parts that you need to know when you're using the Extractor vacuum cleaner. Let's take a look. This is the side view of the Extractor. Standing in the back, you will see the top control. On the top control, there is the on and off button. Right past the top control is the selector switch. The selector switch and the top control both has to be turned to the right in order for the machine to work correctly. So the top control has to be turned to the right all the way, and the bottom selector switch has to be turned to the right all the way. Remember, top right, bottom right all the way. Let's turn on the machine. Press. Use your two hands to take the holes out of the machine. This is how the tip looks like. Squeeze the handle to let the soap out and let go to make it stop. First pass, squeeze the handle to let the soap out. Second pass, you are drying. Do not squeeze. If you think you need to dry 2 times, dry it 2 times. Remember, first pass, squeeze, soap out. Again, squeeze, soap out. Second pass, dry. Do not squeeze. You are drying. Next, we will be cleaning the chair with the upholstery cleaner. Let's take a look. When you're cleaning the chair, have someone hold it. First pass, squeeze, soap out. Second pass, dry. First pass, squeeze. And when you're about to finish, dry the whole chair completely. The next part of Extractor is the spotting tool, 25 feet long hose. This is how the spotting tool looks like. This is the top of the spotting tool. There is a hose connector, a male connector, and a handle to squeeze to let the soap out. This is the bottom. The bottom is where the vacuum sucks up the dirty water and also sprays soap out. This is the 25 feet hose. There is a hose and also a male and female connector. Now we're going to connect the 25 feet long hose to the machine. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect the air hose, and the next thing we're going to do is disconnect the vacuum hose. There is a wing nut. Twist and it comes off. Now use that same wing nut on the short hose on the 25 feet long hose. Take it off. Slip it on the 25 feet hose and connect to the vacuum cleaner. The wing nut. Tighten as you put it on. It takes some time. Now double check to make sure it is on. And the next thing, you connect the air hose. Now we're going to go on the other end of the air hose to connect the spotting tool. In your left hand, hold the spotting tool. In your right hand, hold the female connector, pull down and get ready to connect. Now put the female on the male connector. You can line it up and push it right on. Listen for the click. That means it is on. Connect the black hose and turn on the machine. Now you are ready to use the spotting tool. First pass, squeeze to let the soap out. Second pass, vacuum it dry. First pass, squeeze. Second pass, dry. Thank you for joining us. Part 2, Upholstery Cleaner on Extractor. Please use the machine correctly. Aloha.